Edge construction is an interesting and versatile kiln forming technique. For this project, I chose 3 sheets of streaky glass. Streaky glass is wonderful to use for edge construction projects as it creates interesting patterns between the mixed colors in the glass. To start the project, I cut a 4" by 6" piece of each color. From these pieces, I will cut 1/4" or 6mm strips, which will then be placed on edge and full fused in the kiln. When full fusing with Wissmach glass, we recommend a thickness of 6mm. The first step in the project is to mark each piece of glass for 6mm cuts. Next, I will cut the strips for the project. I cut each 4" by 6" sheet of glass in half to create two 4" by 3" pieces. For this project, half of my glass strips will be 4" by 1/4" and half 2" by 1/4". I'm doing this to create a lovely design variation, which you will see later on in the video. Then I run my 4" by 1/4" strips in each color. When running 6mm strips of glass, be sure to go slow to ensure best results. Next, I will mark each of the remaining pieces of 4" by 3" glass at 2 inches. Then I score each piece of glass. I run all of my 2" strips in the same way as I ran my 4" strips. Again, going slowly will give you the best results. Once all of my strips are cut, I clean each one to prevent devitrification. After cleaning my strips, I am ready to assemble them on a primed kiln shelf. I use a mix of vertical and horizontal strips to create a more interesting design. When assembling your strips, be careful not to disturb the kiln wash on the shelf. Disturbing the kiln wash may result in your glass sticking to the shelf. The design on the top of the finished piece will be wavy, and the design on the bottom will be more crisp. I chose the crisp lines as my new top surface and also decided to cold work my edges. I cold work using silicon carbide or loose grit. I decided to sandblast the piece before slumping it to give it a less glossy fire polish. The final step is to slump. The finished plate turned out great. I hope that this tutorial has inspired you to use edge construction technique. It is a wonderful way to design kiln-formed glass, especially when you use streaky style colors.